Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Flyte from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve across. Now from the ends, let's curve it down, meeting at the center at the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's hop in and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two curves down and bring it out at the bottom. Then from the top, let's curve it out and bring it down. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw an oval along the inside edge. And color them both in black. Now tap on top of the right eye and let's draw a curve up for the eyebrow. And now stick it up by bringing a line up on the inside and then curve it out on top. And then color it in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the antenna. Let's draw two curves up and curve it down at the top. And now stick in both of these up. Now at the ends, let's add a curve up, then a bump going out on both sides, and one more underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start on the sides of the head and let's draw a curve out and down. Now let's curve it inwards, meeting at a point in the center. Now top underneath and let's draw a curve down and in on both sides. And then curve it out like this. Now underneath, let's curve it in and up. And then underneath, let's add the legs. Let's start with two lines down on the left and two on the right. Now from the outside, let's angle it out and curve it back in underneath. Lastly, let's move back up and let's draw the wings. Let's start on the sides of the head and let's draw a curve up and out. And then underneath, let's draw a wavy line down and curve it in. Another smaller wavy line underneath. And then curve it back into the sides of the body. Now inside on the wings, let's add the flower shape. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw a small curve up and back down. Then let's add a curve out on both sides. And one more underneath. Now let's add the same shape all the way around. And that's it for Flyte. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!